Good morning guys, what's up? Today's video is kind of different. I won't be doing anything related to makeup or a tutorial or anything like that, obviously من السيتنج اللي انا فيه ده. انا حاليا واقفه في الزحمه، فقررت ان انا اصور النهارده and اعمل فلوج يعني. في طريقي دلوقتي رايحه جروفي سبا. They invited me for a spa day نعمل facial او حاجه. I'm not really sure هنعمل ايه، بس I think we're going to do a facial and some cool stuff. Shout out to Groovy for inviting me. Thank you so much. I'm really excited to know what we'll be doing, and therefore the no makeup look. My eye bags are popping, but I kind of like my eye bags. Some days I like them, some days not so much. بس كده. Later on today I'm going to an event. It's kind of an interesting day in my life. فحسيت why not أصوره. Maybe you like these kind of videos, maybe not. We'll see. I'm giving it a try. وبس كده. That's all for now. I'll see you guys at Groovy. Just a little update. لسه واقفة في نفس الزحمة، الدنيا ما بتتحركش. I'm already late on my appointment. المفروض ابقى هناك الساعة 1 ودلوقتي الساعة 1 إلا 5. So Groovy, if you ever watch this video, it's not my fault. Cairo traffic is horrible, okay? Okay, أنا وصلت بعد زحمة كتير قوي. أنا في الكلينيك دلوقتي بصور نفسي، بس الناس بتبصلي ف it's a bit weird. I'm not really used to this right now, but I'm excited. She's making sure the spa is ready for our tour. We're gonna take a tour before we start any of the services. I don't know. I'm just excited and I'm waiting for her to come back. Okay, so خدنا التور، بس I was too shy إني أقول لها ممكن أصور التور، فما عملتش كده. The place is amazing. It's huge. وبعدين دلوقتي what we're going to do is a Moroccan bath and then a massage and then a facial. وأنا في الأوضة الصغيرة دي هغير وبعدين we'll start. I'm so excited. So this is the current situation right now. I'm all dressed up. I have my locker. I feel so fancy and we're going into the Moroccan bath. Thank you so much guys. It's been good. Hey guys, so I finished at Groovy. It was amazing. They treated me so good. They took care of me really well, and the service was really good. I didn't expect that, to be honest. I went with no expectations and they really had me. Like, I'm hooked. I'm definitely going back there very soon. And it's currently 6:20 and the event I'm supposed to go to starts at 4, so yeah, I'm pretty late. لسه هروح البيت ألبس وبعدين أروح. I think I'll be there at 8 and I think it ends at 9. I'm not sure. بس يعني this is the update. ما صورتش كتير في السبا عشان كنت سايبة موبايلي في اللوكر most of the time because of the steam وكده. بس yeah, it was amazing. Yeah, so thank you so much Habiba for inviting me. I genuinely really liked the place and enjoyed my time and I feel so refreshed. I don't know, it's a really good place. And she told me they're expanding. They already have a branch in the one I went to, كانت في مصر الجديدة, and they have another branch في المنصورة, where they're opening a new branch in Sheikh Zayed كمان. They made me do a lot of cool stuff. We started off with the Moroccan bath, which was super refreshing, and then we went on to a massage, and they did that the hot stone massage thing. It was super nice, and then we ended it up with a facial and my skin is glowing. Like, this was amazing. This was such a nice experience. I think this is the best thing a brand has ever done to me. Yeah, thank you so much Groovy, and thank you Habiba for inviting me. I'll definitely be coming back again. But now I'm on my way back home. I'll change and go to the event and I'll take you guys with me. I hope I'm doing this right. Alright, bye! I made it to the event. It's the event for their new thermal water. وجيت الساعة 8 والايفنت بيخلص 8، بس يعني we made it. I'm here with the girls. أهم ناس موجودين. Having my pina colada. just got back home from the event. It was really nice. وصلت متأخر، وصلت الساعة 8 والإيفنت أصلا بدأ الساعة 4. بس my friends waited for me we had a really nice time. It was a really beautiful event. I wish I went there earlier. The sunset كده, I think it would have been a lot prettier. But yeah, this is the end of this vlog, or معرفش. I hope you like it. I hope I have enough footage. I didn't take a lot of footage في السبا, and I don't think I filmed a lot في الevent. It might be a failed vlog, بس يعني it's my first one, so I'm trying. بس كده, لو انتوا عجبكم النوع ده من الفيديوهات ممكن اعمله كتير. بس تصبحوا على خير. هابي عيد عمال بكرة. باي.